Hey guys, gals, Brian with Goose Gear here. And we are here in front of a brand new 4th Gen Tacoma Hybrid. And we were made aware, we actually posted a video about this not too long ago, that there were some issues with the screws. So what happened was the start of the screw was basically machined too close by the manufacturer of the screws that make them for us, because we have them all custom made for us in black. And apparently they made a mistake. And so the starter threads were no good. And so what was happening is you were threading, you would get about a half a thread in and then it would stop. But it would feel like it could still go. The problem is it can't go. So all you're gonna do is destroy the threads of the insert or the bolt. So what we recommend you do, and we're sending emails to everyone that has ordered hybrid Tacoma interiors to let them know, hopefully if you get a chance to see this video. What you wanna do is you wanna pull your hardware kit, open it up like we did, pull the long bolts out and check and make sure. If this thread's on like it does, then it may not move that smooth, but it's gonna move smooth enough. If it threads like that, then your hardware kit is fine. You can install your stuff. If this goes in and it stops like a quarter to a half a turn, don't put it in, contact us. We'll send you a brand new hardware kit. Obviously no charge because it's customer service. We'll make sure you guys get what you need. And hopefully we catch you before you try and put this in. Otherwise you end up with rivnuts in the truck that become stripped out because the bolts are damaged, and so now we're removing rivnuts and putting new ones in for this customer. So let's check and make sure these things are spinning on good, and you should be good to go. Thank you.